Look at this cool treehouse located in Ocho Rios, St. Ann. But more on this later. First, I need to catch my dinner.
Listen, we are here!
Outside, Padabara, outside.
I met up with Odane, YouTuber and fisherman. His channel name is Spearfishing with Odane. Go and check out his channel for more spearfishing content. The link is in the description. Guys, I'm back in St. Ann, diving at different location. Not my first time, so I know. I so deep. This is a line entanglement, and I won't get far. Girl, untangle this. Okay, we try again. The plane wreck, and I know you have seen this before on this channel, but this time we go inside virtually because I'm stuck at 60 feet, so Odane is taking over the camera to give us this cool footage. He is just chilling at 70 feet like it's the pool floor. Hopefully I can dive like this one day. I am 3 years into spearfishing now, going 4 years actually, so I guess I'm making progress slowly but surely. But getting to this plane wreck is one of my goals. One day, guys, one day I I can go down there. And what do we have here? Nice! We soon come back to this. I love it. Guys, look at this beautiful bedroom. This is so cool. I love it. No, but the best part, look at this. Look at the bathroom. Yeah? All right. Gonna give you. Yeah, nice. 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 We're loving it. We're loving it. This is definitely a place you want to check out. And of course, you know why I love this place? So it's actually also a camping site. So for the camping vibe, stay tuned. If you for this, well, we know. We all can do with this, right? But I love the mix. So, and then there's also the treehouse. So here's the story now. I was meant to stay at the treehouse, but the weather messed that up. But people, it was raining last night and thunder was rolling. So I was like, hey, there's thunder rolling. I don't want to be in the treehouse when there's thunder. But no problem. So this accommodation, this space has the other rooms, right? Again. But for now, I still want to show you this amazing property where you can camp, you can stay at the treehouse. There is some new accommodations in the making and I'm already excited and I cannot wait to be in those accommodations. I'm gonna show you. And then of course we have these regular, normal rooms. Indoors. There is everything. There's a nature walk, there's the big space where you can camp, they have a fire pit and all of that. Stay tuned. We go there and check it out because the rain has stopped. So our time now. Let's go. My companions here. Yes, they've been waiting here. Right. They slept in front of my door. I was protected. Especially there is one who came to the campfire yesterday with me and then of course get some food and now he is your body's now. He's not leaving me. So there's a separate little trail to go up to the campsite. I'm telling you from now it is steep. So be prepared. We all love a little exercise, right? right? And then there is some, I know it reminds me of Taino carvings, but they made something similar. Can you see the face? When I said a surprise new cottages, these are the ones. Yeah, how cool is this? It is not finished, so there will be a part 2 where we're going to feature those when it's finished. Yes, so but now we're going to the campsite, and guys, the sunset, sunrise, you will have some crazy sky colors up here. Really, really beautiful. I captured some last night. But yeah, fire station, swing, just really beautiful nature vibe. Nice private property. Can come camp here, set up your tent, and that's you. But this is where we're going now. Yeah, you can also stay at the Treehouse. Really? You just made it up here? Just like that? Please follow me everywhere, even up to the Treehouse. Yeah. All right, guys, this is the view. Before I can continue, I'm sweating. Oh man, this hill, and with the luggage, so I'll have to get this sweat off me before I can continue vlogging, so I can look cute for the vlog. And not like a sweaty morning potato with my potato face. Oh man. This is a vibe. I have never been in a treehouse. Well, not like this. Something similar. All right. So the morning with a coffee. Yeah. Now the day can get started. We are in the tree house. Yeah, so we're in the tree, and nice and tree cozy. Yeah, table and chairs, and you can just enjoy the evening and morning. If this is your vibe, the tree house, well, this is it. We are in Ocho Rios, and you have everything here. Tree house, normal house, campsite. If you bring your tent, then yeah, you saw the first room. So that's how we love to travel, right? We have options. I have to bring my tent to the next time, because this time this was the plan, but people, it was raining last night and thunder was rolling, so I was like, thunder rolling, I don't want to be in a treehouse when there's thunder. But no problem. So this accommodation, this space has the other rooms, right? So I changed and I went into the other room because of the weather. But I'm not saying anything because we're happy. We are happy to get some rain. We've been praying for rain, right? It's been dry, so not complaining. We all want the rain. Yeah. But there is enough other times I can come and then really fully try the treehouse when there is no rain and no thunder. To come back and try the treehouse, like really try it, not not just drink coffee up here. Yeah, the weather. Even just for the video, because when the weather is nice up here, you get some stunning pictures. I glimpsed a little bit last night because the rain stopped for 1 hour, so I just could cook the dinner, and then it started again. But yeah, you get the idea of the space anyhow. So if you're looking for a campsite, we're here in St. Ann, Ocho Rios, and you can see the ocean right there. Yes, so in the lush and beautiful hills. It's amazing. As always, you have to be here to really get the natural beauty of the space, right? There's a nature trail. So it was raining a lot, so I don't think I'm gonna walk the nature trail. I believe it's gonna be slippery. So they have a nature trail, beautiful, where also, you know, you can sit and relax, read your book. It's beautiful. Up there, you see there's like a gazebo. You can have a games night, yoga, you name it. It's all here to spend your time out in nature with some comfort. Yes, because over there is have an outside shower and we have restrooms. That's all you need. That's all you need, guys. That's all you need. Yeah. If you're interested in staying at this Treehouse, there are books right here you can read or bring your own book. It is a vibe. It is so cool. I'm just here. This is not even my book because, all right, guys, I'm reading on Kindle. But obviously, to get some pictures and content, a real book just looks better. Yeah. So I'm here reading this. It's actually a funny story. But yeah, that's the disadvantage with Kindle. Ooh, a phone.
Time will ease your mind.
Fully disconnected.
Working out the ways that you'll always be right.
Donkey. Hi, donkey. Then we have our lovely bonfire station. Yeah.
If we fell apart,
Restroom here.
would you want me to stay?
Telling you guys, this is a nice camping place. Green space. Everything is here you need for a lovely camping experience. Up in the hills of St. Ann. Yeah, not far from the city. That is so cool. I mean, the city is really right there, but it doesn't feel like it. Oh my God, this is just too cute. All the puppies are following us. Yeah, come here, puppies. Yeah. Oh my God, can I just cuddle all of you? Yeah, you're just so cute.
my dad.
Yeah.
North Coastal.
Please.
North Coastal in Kingston.
Sick? That's not bad.
No.
Always good popping out with something, right? And this is always
Yes, sir. We are here.
outside for the Barramount side.
I'm moving up.
What's your style?
I went to some police and I set back the spear gun the rubber bus.
We're gonna go get none.
None. Triggerfish, play with me feelings. You know, then just and dance in front of you and be like, and
then they move.
and you're like, all right.
So me have a fishing man.
And they lure you down, lure you down.
Yeah, but I know that.
Yeah.
You know my limit.
Yeah.
They have no limit.
Key. And they always make it seem they're right in front of you. But when I saw him, I'm like, all right, you get catch now.
Let me get your fish. I'm not gonna do.
You want the next one?
Oh, frame me two frame man, but I can't shoot two one time. Confused man, I don't know which one to cut.
I already saw that in my pot steaming, you know, steamed down in coconut milk. I say, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's nice, you see. Tactics to the thing.
Next time,
Yeah, next time. Yeah, but Tweenie say, yeah, still catch something nice though.
yeah, man.
Where you catch?
Catch a mackerel.
Ah,
Jack. Yeah, man, nice.
Nice.
Nice dinner. Yeah, man.
like how much pound mackerel?
Probably about a pound.
Oh, yeah,
Probably more.
nice.
They don't go for a long time. Not
You
You
see,
know, yeah.
first when the year start.
Crazy.
First when the
But
year
that's a good
start.
one, yeah. That's a good start.
We're rat fight.
Yes, man, you're alright, man. You see, you don't talk about when they turn down. Like a plane. A plane could have won. Yes, man.
Better man.
20 grand for the shoot. Shoot some fish.
Smell season already, you know. Yeah man, me smell some nice all-purpose season already, you know. Yeah man. Ready for the pot, fresh from the ocean. And who are gonna eat him? Aqua baby.
Here, but
We are here.
we are here, but then yeah, me. Yeah, tell you, we are here.
I must be about 6 times to make fun of me.
Yeah, we'll punch out or something. Punch
Yeah,
out
man.
the side. One like that, man, and take long, man.
Well, I don't need this again. It is raining. Alright guys, so you saw what we caught this morning and I am still in St. Ann. We're not going home. We're gonna check out a new accommodation and I'm super excited about it, so stay tuned. It's a special one. But the weather is not really weathering here, huh? Where's the sun, St. Ann? Where's the sun? Where is it? Why is it raining? Because, you know, it's the grill we will use. Anyway guys, I brought some coal just in case for this. So we're good. We're good. We shall, you know, it's outdoors, so you have to work with what you get. So it's outdoors, so you have to work with what you get. And we're getting rain. So let's see. I don't know what the fire station looks like, where exactly it is, so we're gonna look for it and search it, and we're gonna find the surprise accommodation for tonight. We're in Ocho. It's raining. And we're going to look for this accommodation. So my GPS says it's only 7 minutes from now. So let's see. Then we're gonna cook, and then we're gonna see and discover the space, the accommodation, and all of it together. Yeah. Upon arrival, there is a welcome drink. So my people, it is raining. So I'm gonna wait for the rain to ease, and then we see how we're gonna, you know, do our cooking and see if we. I want to do the outdoor cooking, but if it keeps raining, then it's gonna be indoor. But that's no fun, right? So just gonna wait and see what the weather's gonna do, and look at those cute puppies. And I have Philip here. Yeah, big up yourself.
Yes. One excess.
Yeah. Oh, what? Mommy is not nice. Yeah, and guys, and then I give you a full tour. Hey! Stop it! So I was just waiting basically for the rain to ease so I can cook my dinner. Yes, guys, our fresh catch from this morning. Yeah, that's what we're gonna put on the grill right now. But whew, that hill. Yeah, and then with all those cooking utensils. But nothing nicer than relaxing on a swing with this view. Heavenly. Heavenly. The rain? Where is the rainbow? How beautiful is this? Alright, as prepared campers, we brought coal in case it's raining. And it was raining and wet up everything. But I got coal, so.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. We start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. We start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye.
The rain,
It's for
where is
the
the
best,
rainbow?
and you know
How beautiful is
why.
this?
You gotta leave.
Raining, which is lovely. It just cools down the place. But I'm so hungry, and I tried to see if this place is open. It's Calabash, yeah, for some breakfast. I need the food before I can continue my journey. All right, so this is an Ital place. Yeah. You know, guys, Ital is vital. Yeah. And they're actually open. So, you know, I'm loving that already. So I parked across so that I can see my Betsy. Morning. All right, so we're at the beautiful Calabash. It's been a while I've been here. So we have breakfast. So I'm gonna have a small porridge. Can have a small porridge. This looks lovely. So we have the kalaloo and we have the veggie stew and served with some. Kalaloo. Love me some greens. All right, beautiful space where you can eat your lunch or breakfast, and then you can also they have a different. They sell teas and roots, wine, and all the good stuff. You have some souvenirs as well, stickers, lots of books. You get books you can buy and read your books, right? Lovely place right here in Ochi. You come here and eat your good food. Thank you, bye. All right, we're off to Kingston now, because not only it's a Sunday morning, it also just stopped to rain. Loving the rain for cooling down the place. So yeah, this is Ochi town. Anyway, peeps, we are out. We're leaving Ochi and we're going back to Kingston. Yeah, I think I eat too much. No, I didn't eat too much. I eat too fast. Oh, my belly full. I was so hungry. I did plan to make breakfast, but then the rain just mashed up my cooking vibe. Because everything was so wet. So I said, all right, I'm not bother. I'll keep that for a next vlog when we do the camping vibe. Okay, I was meant to cook this morning at the campsite, but that didn't happen. The rain and everything. Anyway, I went home. I went home and made this bara, yeah, fried bara escovitch with fried dumpling and some ripe plantain. I wish you all a beautiful
Alright guys, thank you so
Sunday.
much for tuning in and watching this vlog. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment, it would help this channel a lot. Alright, here a little preview of my next video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss this one.
Can you dip and fall back?
Yeah.
Or when I say fuck roll?
Yeah.
See guys, the rundown has different names up in this.
I met the coolest person, Paul. Paul, if you see this, big up yourself. So we found this waterfall somewhere hidden in St. Thomas at the end of this river. No guys, it's amazing. This is the tallest waterfall in St. Thomas. It's not Reggae Falls. Reggae Falls, well, it's not a natural falls, but this is natural. And this is probably, I don't know, 70 feet or 80, something like that. It is tall and beautiful, and to get there was one hell of an adventure. So guys, don't miss this vlog. I'm soon gonna upload this. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Bye! See you next time.
Body top. If we just body trail. It make me look like me 100. I couldn't manage up. But you did it. I'm so proud. And I'm so inspired.
You're my hero. Yo, people.